That was such an amazing river cruise. Now it's time for our next stop, the Surfers Paradise Beachfront Markets. We have heard there are lots of local stalls, handmade gifts, delicious food, and a really fun atmosphere. Come along with us as we explore one of the Gold Coast's most popular evening markets. As we were walking towards the markets, we came across this amazing angel wing performer. We couldn't resist stopping for a quick photo. The streets here are so lively, and you never know what fun surprises you will find around the next corner.
So, what do you have to say about Gold Coast?
It's amazing. You've got Surfers Paradise, you've got the beautiful beaches, you've got shopping, you've got a magic show here, Las Vegas style, so if you guys want to come along. You look really good. Thank you so much. Yeah, I love the wings.
Yeah, that's what I like. Pink one. Pink is my favorite all the time.
Guys, we have just reached the beachfront markets and there is already so much to see. One stall that really caught our attention had a huge variety of flavored iced teas. They looked colorful, refreshing, and just what you need after spending the day exploring the Gold Coast. Every stall here has something different to offer, from handmade jewelry and artworks to souvenirs and fashion accessories. There is always something interesting to discover. It's a great place to pick up a unique gift or a souvenir to remember your Gold Coast trip.
So you're the second one after the No, it's right at the beginning, so it's what's right at the beginning. That's
Is it a good sign?
just like the real one.
Is it? Can I?
This market is full of creative and unique experiences, from personalized moon and birthday jewelry to fun caricature art. Every corner has something special to discover. It's not just shopping here, it's about enjoying the creativity and taking home beautiful memories from the Gold Coast.
You, the one that I belong to, you're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream.
Just look at this. We were simply walking through Cavill Avenue and suddenly came across these incredible street performers. They are so talented and the atmosphere here is just amazing. This is what I love about Surfers Paradise. You don't just come for the beach, you also get to enjoy live entertainment everywhere. It really makes the whole place feel so lively and memorable.
Stopped at Gelatissimo in such a paradise because we were craving about something sweet and it is one of my favorite ice creams. They have lots of ice cream flavors and it's very hard to decide one of them. Let's go inside and check the flavors.
Gelatissimo is known for its rich taste and variety, so if you are visiting Gold Coast, this is definitely a must-try dessert spot. The best part is enjoying this tasty gelato while walking around Surfers Paradise and soaking in the beach vibes. Let's taste it now and see which flavor is our favorite. After enjoying our delicious gelato at Gelatissimo, we were excited to explore the evening side of Surfers Paradise. We wanted to show you the lively crowds and the beautiful beach at sunset.
Looks like the weather had a different plan for us. We came here to explore the market. Now we are taking a little rain break. That's travel. You can't control the weather, but you can still enjoy the experience.
So instead of letting the rain spoil our mood, we decided to enjoy the moment, capture the rainy vibes, and continue making beautiful memories here at Surfers Paradise. As we come to the end of our Gold Coast vlog, I just want to take a moment to say the Gold Coast has given us so many beautiful memories, whether it's the stunning views of Surfer Paradise, whether it's the lively atmosphere of Cavill Avenue, whether it's about the vibrant beachfront market, or whether it's relaxing water cruise. Travel is not just about reaching a destination. It's about the moments you collect along the way. And this Gold Coast trip gave us countless moments to smile about. We will definitely be taking these memories home with us.